going on, guys? It's your boy DJ Marl. Today I'm going to the Halloween store to get some fake rats, and I'm gonna get some fake blood, and I'm gonna put the blood on the rats. Then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'll see y'all when I get back. About to head to the Halloween store. Need rats. Rats. The babies. I don't need no babies. Nah, chill on something. I don't think they got no rats in here, man. They got cats. They ain't gonna be scared of that. Got no rats in here. Get slumber. You look like the mask. I need rats. I'm about to just ask them. I could put these in the fridge. I could put these in the refrigerator and see how they react to them. So I'm gonna get these right here. The mice.
Fortnite this year.
Comes at 5:30.
Okay, guys, I got the mice. So she the first one home from school. So yo, they look kind of real. You will not hold it. Yeah, they did. She definitely gonna be scared tomorrow. I'm gonna put one of them in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna spray these with zombie blood spray. So let me put this. So Mara I already know how she is. She gonna come in the house. That's how they are. Let's go.
It didn't happen.
What happened?
Why would you do that?
Daddy!
Retarded, yo.
I'm not.
Why would he
He
do
had
that?
the camera right here.
Stupid ass. Why would you do that? Yo, why he got rubber mice in the refrigerator with fake blood?